Today we'll talk about how can you enable Voiceclub on your emo app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on settings, then come to next step here, then you just click here on functions here. So then you come to this list, come here to Voiceclub, click in this side, but like you see, so then you click here on confirm. So then it's going to restart with us now here up to enable with us now. Just click on your photo profile again. So I'm going to click here on that now. So when you click here on your photo profile, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on settings, then you come to this list, click here on functions here. So then here, like you see, Voiceclub, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.